Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't done a sit down, like for real do makeup in such a long time. Probably insert that picture like right here of when I last did that. I feel like I've just been doing like, you know, videos with Jared or just like vlogs or whatever, but like I feel like I haven't done like makeup in front of you guys forever and I kind of miss it. I'm gonna be doing a quick 7-minute get ready with me during quarantine. I've been doing this basically for the whole length of quarantine. Anytime Jared's like, hey, let's run to town, let's do this, I'm like, okay, let me go throw on some makeup real fast. Usually, you know, doing my whole makeup routine takes me like 30 to 40 minutes, but I've cut it down significantly during quarantine and just really made a 7-minute makeup routine. And those girls that say that they do their makeup in 5 minutes, if they're filling in their eyebrows, they lying to you, okay? There is no way you can fill in your eyebrows and do the rest of your face in 5 minutes. I go fairly fast, but I literally timed myself the other day when Jared and I went to town, and I set my timer for 5 minutes. I got everything done on my face in that 5 minutes except for my eyebrows. Like I was just starting my first eyebrow. So it's doable. Like if you are blessed with gorgeous eyebrows where you don't have to really do anything to them, it is possible for you to do your makeup in 5 minutes. If you're got little nothings like mine, it takes me at least a good 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. But yeah, so I got my face done in 5 minutes and then my timer went off and I reset my timer for the same 5 minutes and I stopped my timer when I was completely done and it stopped at 3:03. So it basically took like a little over 2 minutes to do my eyebrows. So that's why I'm calling this my 7-minute makeup routine. Like I said, if you have Jesus blessed you with great eyebrows already, you really don't need to fill in your eyebrows and you can definitely get this done in 5 minutes because I almost did, but my eyebrows just hold me back, you know? If you want to see my quick 7-minute makeup routine, then please keep watching. This might be a little more than 7 minutes because when I did that, I did not talk at all, but now I'm going to be talking obviously to tell you what I'm using, but I also think I might just link everything down in the description as well. So to start off, I'm going to be using my Decay All Nighter foundation. This is like one of my least favorite foundations that I have, so I like to use it when, you know, I don't really have anything important going on because, I don't know, I just don't like it that much. Like I feel like it separates on my face very easily. If I'm like doing my glam makeup, I don't want that. I don't have time for that. Like I'm just gonna go to my holy grail who's not gonna treat me like that, okay? But I mean, foundation ain't cheap, so I'm going to at least use it. In quarantine, it sounds like the perfect time to do so. So I didn't even put primer on. I just washed my face and then put some moisturizer on it. And this is what we're working with. Pro tip, putting your foundation on is gonna go a lot faster if you have a big brush. I mean, the smaller the brush, it's gonna take you a lot longer to put on your makeup, so that's where I use this big boy. Next, we're gonna jump right into the Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette. I'm just gonna, you know, contour my face. I can't do my makeup without doing that, so if you didn't tell, no, I did not put concealer on. I went straight into contouring because I just feel like it's an extra step. I would rather have my face contoured than, you know, concealed. We can always go in and add some like of my brightening powder right here under my eyes. But no, I don't want to take the time to blend out my concealer, okay? And I would time this for you guys to show you, but I record on my phone. There's not really any way that I can have a timer on and record, so. Now I'm gonna go in with a small face brush and go in this brightening and just brighten up and set like the underneath my eyes and on my eyelid to make sure that my foundation does not crease there. I honestly like this routine so much that I'm like, why do I ever do like glam looks? Like, why do I need to spend 40 minutes doing my makeup, you know, when I can just do it in 7. Then just take a big blending brush and just kind of lightly buff out, you know, all the edges. We don't want our couches looking at us like, why she got harsh lines on her face. Moving on. Next, going in with my Rimmel London blush. Just go right on top of the contour bronzer, whatever you prefer to call it. And then we flip that brush around. I'm gonna take my iconic London illuminator, highlight, and just dab where I want to glow. Right now I'm just gonna do those places because this does kind of dry fairly quickly. And I don't want it to like dry and polka dots on my face, that's awkward. And just blend it out with the other side of that brush. See, it's already kind of dried. Next, we're just gonna pop in here real fast with this palette. I'm literally just going to take one like bronzery shade and just run it through the crease of my eye just to give it a little bit of depthness. And honestly, you don't even need to do this. I just went for it, okay? But it literally takes probably 10 seconds. Not that big of a deal. And she's done, okay? Next, we're going to go in with mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. And usually I do not like waterproof, or I do not wear waterproof mascara just because it's so hard to get off. My eyelashes are all clumpy afterwards. But when I'm not gonna put like falsies on, I will wear this because it just makes me look like I actually have eyelashes since mine are so like non-existent. All right, going in with my eyebrows really fast. I just like plucked them or whatever you want to call it for the first time in like 3 weeks. So they looking fresh, okay? I don't know about you guys, but I am so stinking happy that the sun is out today. It has been so gloomy and rainy and just all over depressing these last like 4 or 5 days, and like it really affected me. Like my mood was just like so down. You know, some sad things have been happening and like I wanted to just, you know, be happy, but I feel like I was trying so hard, but the like vibe outside, the gloominess, the raininess was just not allowing that to happen. So I'm so glad that it's sunny out and I just feel like so great today. This has been my favorite lip combination lately. It's my bombshell chapstick that I mentioned in my Amazon favorites. I'll link it up here for you guys. So you just put a good layer of this on. Get your lips nice and soft. And then I'm gonna take my Becca Glow Gloss and just do lightly in the middle. And then rub my lips together. And then I'll take it on the outer. Rub my lips together, and then I'll do a little bit on the upper. It just gives this like little gloss nudie look for me, and I love it. It's totally vibes, okay? So guys, there you have it. This is my 7-minute quarantine makeup. I literally did my makeup just to go work out in. So, and probably go for a little bike ride later. As expected, recording this video took longer than 7 minutes because like I said, I did absolutely zero talking when I did time myself, and it took me 7 minutes, but this time I obviously was talking almost the whole entire time, and it took me like 14 minutes, I think, but still fairly fast. And if you're in your room doing your makeup, not talking to anybody, There's no reason why you can't get it done in 7 minutes. I hope everybody's quarantine is treating them well. Hopefully it is nearing an end soon. Hopefully it is nearing an end soon. There you go. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an upload from me. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!